Welcome to our lesson about the fold and unfold tools. These two tools come in a pair. If you want to make a cut across a bend region, for example here, you first need to unfold this region, make the cut, and then fold it back up. Let's apply the unfold command. Now I'll select the fixed face, and then I select the bends to unfold. Instead of collecting the bends to unfold manually, I can simply click Collect All Bends. Let's click OK. Now let's right-click on this face and insert a sketch. Take a normal 2 view. Let's add a construction line. I'm going to place it about here. Circle tool. Place it here. Dimension. We'll make the diameter 10 millimeters. Center line. Right-click and select to close the tool. Activate the circle tool and we'll place a second circle about here and here. Right-click, select to close the tool. Now let's shift-select our circles and add an equal relation. The line tool. And let's activate the Trim Entities tool. We'll use the Trim to Closest method. Right-click and select to finish. Let's apply dimensions. 10 millimeters. Accept. 45 millimeters here. Accept, and let's exit our sketch. Activate the Extruded Cut tool. I'll check the Link to Thickness option and click OK. Let's take an isometric view. Now we're ready to fold our part back up. The fixed face is already pre-selected. Next, we choose the bends to fold individually, or we can click Collect All Bends, and that's what I'll do, and click OK. Now let's see what happens when I create an extruded cut in the flattened state. Right-click, New Sketch, Rectangle tool, drop it about here, Accept, and let's exit our sketch. Activate the Extruded Cut tool. Link to thickness, let's check it. OK. Notice that the Extruded Cut feature appears underneath the Flat Pattern feature. That means that the cut will only exist in the flattened state. That's why you have to make the extruded cuts in the unfolded state rather than the flattened state. This concludes our lesson about the unfold and fold tools.